to dive into a world where nail art meets luxury and creativity. So hey everyone, myself Kangsha Gangapuram and welcome to the glamorous world of nails, First Lady Nails by Diya. From chic manicures to intricate nail arts, First Lady Nails by Diya promises you the top-notch services with style, precision and creativity pampering experience that promise you to make feel fabulous. So let's get ready to indulge, enjoy and discover the beautiful art of nails. So yes, I am now with the owner and founder of this First Lady Nails by Diya. So Mrs. Diya ma'am. So how are you ma'am?
Absolutely fine. How are you?
So good.
It's a pleasure having you in the studio
So
today.
good. So ma'am, we want to have to know about your studio. Like what makes you to do the studio in, like already you have a studio in Hyderabad.
Yes.
So as I know.
Yeah.
So what make you to keep this store in this Banjara Hills? We want to know about it.
Yeah. Nails by Diya started 2 years back. And the kind of response that I received from my clients is amazing. So many of my clients are from this side, from Panjagutta, Banjara Hills, Jubilee Hills, Gachibowli and so on. So I decided to start a new nail studio at this Banjara Hills side. And my clients are loving it. They requested me from past 1.5 years and I thought, why not, let's start. And I gave it a thought and it just happened. Thanks to God and the Almighty and the universe that I could do it. And now we are getting amazing response from the crowd too. Yeah.
Very good. So ma'am, what kind of unique experiences do clients get here at the nail studio? Because apart from others, many are, as you said,
Yeah.
your clients are from Panjagutta and all.
Yes.
So what that makes Nails by Diya more, what you call, unique and
different from others?
Yeah.
I think that we are offering a different experience altogether. Along with doing their nails, my client is getting a different feeling of getting to drink amazing mocktails of their likings. And we are giving a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful atmosphere with the service. We are having amazing technicians who are at least 8 to 10 years experienced guys. And our products are from Singapore. Those are not locally made products. Apart from that, our decor, our inside of the studio, the feel and everything is just amazing and different. My client does not feel just gorgeous from inside but from outside also.
So ma'am, can you share us a little about the ranges of services and exclusive designs available at the First Lady Nails?
Yes. Apart from nails, we also offer manicure, pedicure services, hand spa, foot spa and eyelash extensions. And different kinds of nail art is possible over here. Whatever nail art you want, my technicians are ready to do it. So you just show a picture, whatever downloaded picture, because it is very difficult to explain what kind of design a client is asking for. So it's better to show a picture of the nail art and the same thing can be done by the technician and then the service will be top-notch.
So ma'am, how do you stay updated with the latest trends in the nail arts and beauty to offer fresh and innovative options in it?
Yeah, I travel a lot to learn about more new things about nails. Not even in the country but also outside the country. Like recently I went to Singapore to learn about the nail art, different varieties of colors, what are the best techniques that we can put in our studio, and I can give this training to my technician after I learn it from there, so that they can offer the best service over here which is different and outstanding. So I went abroad to learn these techniques. And apart from that, our products are also from Korea, from China or from Singapore. And yeah, makes us set apart.
So ma'am, what that one experience you hope every client would take away after visiting the First Lady Nails by Diya?
Each and every client is special for us. Once they enter the door, they are special for us. So I feel whenever my client is leaving the door of the studio after getting the service done, they leave the door with a big smile. They not only feel gorgeous from inside but also from outside, because we give them the feeling that nails can boost up their confidence, because it does. Because I also do it on myself. Boost up their confidence. They feel gorgeous, confident from inside, and the way my clients and me behave with my clients, each and every client, is so good that the clients get retained and they keep come back again and again and again, which gives us a proof that yes, my clients are happy with us. That's why they're coming again and again to us, right? And that forced me to start another business in just 1 year. So that's a big thing that we have achieved, I think.
So good.
Yeah.
So ma'am, how important is client satisfaction and comfort to experience here at the First Lady Nails?
The most important thing for us, client satisfaction, for which we are working and for which we have given such a wonderful interior. All our drinks and everything is for client satisfaction. I come and I give a personal treatment to my client. I talk to them, I take appointments. I love to take the appointments to know what are our drawbacks and what are our positive things that the clients are liking or not liking. If not, then we'll change it instantly. So client satisfaction is the first and foremost thing that we are looking for and for which we are known for. That Nails by Diya and Firstly by Diya are the best in the city of Hyderabad. And very soon, everybody will come to know in the city.
Yeah. So ma'am, is there any expansion plans about it already? You have already 2 stores.
Yes.
So any expansion plans again?
Yeah, I'm thinking to start 4 more branches all over the city.
So good.
Yeah, and I have an idea in my mind which I'm not going to open right now, but very soon the city will come to know.
Okay,
So girls,
waiting
we are
for
coming all over the city to pamper your nails, your hands and foot and everything.
So ma'am, we had a great time with you, and not only that, I do personally suggest everyone to do visit here. The services, the nails, and mainly the Diya ma'am. They are so good. Do visit First Lady Nails by Diya. Thank you ma'am.
All the girls, I am waiting to meet you all. Do come. Do give us a visit. See you.